The 2005 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, automatic transmission, alloy wheels, chrome mirror caps, air conditioning, front, cruise control, compass, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.